Katie with your Galco TV Tech Tip. Do you typically retorque screws as part of your drive's preventative maintenance procedures? Well, it turns out that you may be doing more harm than good. Unless you see an obvious indication that you should retorque a screw, it's generally not a good idea to do so regularly, as further tightening an already tight connection may ruin that connection entirely. Screws have a maximum clamping power at a torque value specific to its size, shape, and its composition. Exceeding that torque value can permanently reduce the clamping power of that screw by reducing its elasticity and deforming it. Loosening and then retorquing a screw can also reduce its elasticity, which will reduce its clamping power. Now, while it may seem like a minor thing, damaging your screws can lead to catastrophic effects. They can eventually lead to damaging or completely ruining your connection, and bad connections can eventually lead to arcing. In a VFD, for example, arcing occurring at the input can result in nuisance overvoltage faults, clearing of input fuses, or damage to protective components. Arcing at the output can result in overcurrent faults or even damage to the power components. Loose control wiring connections can also cause erratic operation. For example, a loose start-stop signal wire can cause uncontrollable VFD stops. A loose speed reference wire can cause the drive speed to fluctuate, resulting in scrap, machine damage, or even a personal injury. So unless you have a good reason to believe that a screw should be retorqued, you are usually better off leaving them alone if everything is working properly. Stay tuned to Galco TV for more tech tips and visit galco.com for all of your industrial electronics needs.